Now, hip hop track. Relax your torso and your hands. Go down and open. Feet together. Very good. One more time. Same. Relax. Go down and open. Open to the front and relax. Okay. 3 fast lunges. Feet together and open. Open march. Very good. 3 fast lunges. 3, 2, 1. Feet together and open. Yes. Very good. We have to add more, but it's very easy. Single, single. Hold. Single, single, double hip. Double, double, and feet together. Lunge. Yes. Open. Stop. Single, single, double. Very good. Feet together. Come forward and up shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Chest. Open. Come back with arms. Single, single, double. Feet together. Come on, shoulder. Open. Come back. Single, single, double. Double, feet together. Remember beginning. Go down. Back. Yes. And use your hand twice. Perfect. Chest. Woo! Very good. One more time, lunge. Feet together and relax. Down and up. Circle. One more time. Very good. Okay, new part now. Kick and stop. Kick, stop, twist, kick. Yes. Very good. 4, 3, 2, kick. Yes. Very good. Now, same hand, same leg. Punch, diagonal. Pas de bourrée. Same. Very good. One more time. Go. Pas de bourrée. Kick, stop, pas de bourrée. Are you ready from the top, guys? Come forward, lunge and shoulder. Feet together, relax. Down and up, single, double. Hands, kick, pas de bourrée. Very good. You got it. One more time, from the top, come forward. Single, double, and hand, kick. Very good. Slow motion, hand on your head. Relax, watch. 1 and 2, punch. 3 and 4. Relax and repeat with us. Circle, head circles around your head. And 3 punches to diagonal. Very good. We add more now. Go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Use your hip and shoulder side to side. And now circle. One more time. Go down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Faster. Punch, twist, head. Very good. One more time. 4, 3, 2, head. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You got it? From the top, come forward, lunge. Chest, open, go down and up. Single, double. Hand circle. Kick, pas de bourrée. Kick. Head circle now. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, From the top, lunge. Very good. You got it. Circle. Kick. Very good. Combination. Head. Punch. Twist. Head. One more time. Lunge. This is the last one. Your best. Good. Kick. Come on. You can do it. Combination. Very good. Final pose lunge.